Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to the CPU throttling test on the Realme GT Neo 3 device on the day 1 of the quick unboxing impressions. Let's see friends, what will be the CPU throttling score if you try to run the CPU throttling for about 15 minutes of time with 100 threads. That's what I'm going to demonstrate exactly on this Dimensity 8100 chipset. And during this process, I did enable the external run capabilities as well. And all the apps are completely clear from the background. And I'm not using any GT mode. So without using any GT mode, I'm trying to do for the first time. Let's see how much scores we can actually expect in this Realme GT Neo 3 device for about 15 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, everything has been saved, 100 threads and 15 minutes. Done. And temperatures in the beginning, it's about 36 degrees Celsius. My room temperature is the 34 degrees Celsius. Let's find out what will be the high temperatures the phone can actually increase while performing this CPU throttling test. I will be back after some time, maybe close to 5 minutes of time. Then we can discuss most details. And right now the battery percentage is about 50%, so which is not bad. So wow, that's really very high scores regarding the performance. It went up to 3,90,000 regarding the performance number. But we'll try to see friends what will happen with the overall average and minimum and what will be the highest. That's pretty high, 3,90,000 performance scores. So I will be back after some time, maybe close to 5 minutes of time to check the temperatures. And this test is done without using any GT mode. I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to exactly 5 minutes of time. Right now after 5 minutes, and let's say the temperature is about 41.6 degrees Celsius right now. And if you try to look at the battery percentage right now, it's about 48%. So before it is 50%, right now it did decrease to 48% during this processor demonstration. Not bad. So in the performance scores, wow, it's still remaining to be around 3 lakhs. That's really good to see this kind of high level of performance. So I will be back after close to 10 to 12 minutes of time. Then we can discuss more details about this CPU throttling, what's happening in this Realme GT Neo 3. But the temperature seems to be kind of controlled, I would say, like 42 degrees Celsius. I will definitely do the side-by-side comparison with the Realme GT 2 very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So I can be back after some time, maybe close to 10 to 11 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see friends, the CPU throttling test goes after 10 minutes of time. You can clearly see 10 and 11 minutes of time. And these are the performance scores are 3,37,000. That's really good to see this kind of high level of performance numbers throughout the time. And regarding the temperatures, let's see. So 42.6 degrees Celsius, 41.8. So under this circumstance, I'm not that much worried. There are a couple of reasons. Because you are getting very high performance number. So high performance means high temperatures. So obviously that will be kind of balanced, I would say. In case if you are seeing the performance score up to 2,50,000, 2,40,000, then I am really worried because performance is less and the temperature is more. That's not balanced. So performance is more and temperature is also more. So at least you are getting very good performance, even though you are sacrificing the heating. But still, there is a quick information about the temperatures. I will be back after some time, maybe close to 15 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see friends, we're reaching to the final stage of CPU throttling test results, and this is with the 100 threads. 43 degrees is the highest temperature the phone did reach. So as you can see, so 43 degrees Celsius, that's not bad because my room temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius. There is no AC and this is a summer time and still we are getting high performance numbers. So just imagine if the room temperature is kind of pretty low, and how will be the overall scores will be there, how will be the throttling. But right now CPU throttle up to 89%, which is absolutely the good one, I would say so far. There are a couple of reasons because very good performance scores. Try to look at the score. Wow, 395, 364 and 332. So regarding this performance number, it's really fantastic, I would say, in the Realme GT Neo 3. As you can see friends clearly, which is really good CPU throttling so far I have did in my entire if you try to compare all my CPU throttling tests, this is one of the best and highest scores I have got so far. So the highest, average and the minimum, everything is about 3,30,000. That's the best so far I got. Even in the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset also I did not get this kind of high scores. But let's see friends how will be the future Realme updates gonna be impacting, because in the beginning it will be like this, but after some days with the software updates it might change. But if you're trying to use a GT mode, what happens if you try to use a GT mode? See, this is the score which I got without GT mode. Just imagine with the GT mode what will be the score we can actually expect. So don't worry, I'll try to make that video as soon as possible. And battery dropped from 50% to 44% during this process. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and Bye.